How to connect your Reddit account with your Apple. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Reddit account with your Apple easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to reddit.com and log into your account, and now go to the top corner right here and click on your name and go down and choose user settings. Click on this option and now it will take you to this page. Now on this page you need to go down until you find connect to Apple. Now click connect to Apple here and click continue, and the message is sent to your email. It's very easy to connect it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.